Mastering leadership development. Leaders are wasting efficiency and effectiveness by neglecting to optimize condition-based maintenance. When evaluating the current state of our operational excellence initiatives, how do our leaders presently approach condition-based maintenance, and what specific opportunities exist for them to improve these processes, thereby enhancing overall efficiency and effectiveness? Evaluating the current state of operational excellence initiatives is crucial to identifying areas for improvement in condition-based maintenance. Our leaders' approaches to condition-based maintenance are multifaceted, and a thorough analysis reveals both strengths and weaknesses. Currently, our leaders approach condition-based maintenance through a combination of reactive and proactive measures. On the reactive side, they rely heavily on run-to-fail maintenance, where equipment is operated until it breaks down, and then repaired or replaced. This approach is often driven by production pressure and limited resources, leading to a focus on quick fixes rather than root cause analysis and preventive measures. On the proactive side, our leaders have implemented some predictive maintenance strategies, such as vibration analysis and thermal imaging, to detect potential equipment failures before they occur. However, these efforts are often limited in scope and not fully integrated into the overall maintenance strategy. One opportunity for improvement lies in expanding and refining the condition-based maintenance program to include more advanced technologies, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Internet of Things, IoT, sensors. These technologies can enable real-time monitoring, automated anomaly detection, and predictive analytics, allowing for more targeted and effective maintenance interventions. Another area for improvement is the implementation of a more robust root cause analysis, RCA, process to identify and address the underlying causes of equipment failures. By conducting thorough RCAs, our leaders can identify patterns, trends, and correlations that can inform maintenance strategies and optimize resource allocation. Moreover, our leaders can improve their approach by adopting a more proactive and holistic maintenance strategy that incorporates total productive maintenance (TPM) principles. TPM focuses on empowering operators to take ownership of maintenance tasks, promoting a culture of continuous improvement, and optimizing equipment performance through a combination of preventive and predictive maintenance activities. To enhance overall efficiency and effectiveness, our leaders can also prioritize the following initiatives. 1. Standardize maintenance procedures and workflows to reduce variability and improve consistency across the organization. 2. Develop and implement a comprehensive maintenance dashboard to provide real-time visibility into maintenance performance metrics, enabling data-driven decision-making. 3. Establish a structured training program for maintenance personnel to develop their skills in condition-based maintenance, RCA, and TPM. 4. Implement a computerized maintenance management system, CMMS, to streamline work order management, inventory control, and maintenance scheduling. 5. Foster greater collaboration between maintenance, operations, and engineering teams to ensure a more integrated approach to maintenance planning and execution. By addressing these opportunities, our leaders can significantly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of our condition-based maintenance programs, leading to reduced downtime, increased productivity, and enhanced overall operational excellence.